On today's cheap and fancy menu, a simple lunch you can make with less than $2.
Sushi and matcha. There's not much more to say.
1 cup sushi rice. Wash in cold water. One and a half cups water. Rice cooker.
While the rice is cooking, prep your veggies.
Cucumber. Carrot.
And just use the cucumber to measure roughly.
Once the rice is cooked, transfer to a large mixing bowl. Rice vinegar.
And just spread that around the bowl so that it helps the rice to cool faster.
Sushi mat, seaweed.
Now don't be afraid to really spread that rice around. And definitely don't overstuff it. And just leave a little bit of space at the top.
Cucumber.
Now to roll, just carefully and tuck it in every time you roll over. Give it a little squeeze. One down, next roll.
Carrots.
If you find that your seaweed is opening, just take a little bit of water and just brush. That will help seal that sushi.
Slice. Plate. Soy sauce.
Sushi done. Now, iced matcha latte.
Matcha. Hot water. Whisk in a W or M motion. Cane sugar. Matcha. Ice cubes. Almond or coconut milk. A simple but delicious lunch that will run you less than $2.